Uh, Electronics don't like me. I just realized that. Okay, here I am again. An update on using my external hard drive with my iPad Pro. I've already downloaded iPadOS 13. So excited to use it. I plug in my external hard drive. Now, mind you, my external hard drive is a WD 4 terabyte hard drive. I'll show you what it looks like. It's this one right here. I know you guys are familiar with this one right here. This is actually my second one. Last year in November, my old one says broken. That way I know I labeled it broken because I didn't know which one was which. My old one died out on me. It failed on me before my trip to the Philippines. I called WD customer service or customer support and they were able to send me a new one, but I was supposed to send that old one, recover my data, return that one. I didn't have time for it. And now that this new one is now clicking when I try to plug it in with my computer, my regular computer, the first time I noticed it is I plugged into my iPad first. Now before I downloaded the beta iPadOS 13, I plugged this in and it says content unavailable. That's normal. But knowing that it's not even reading anymore, and the fact that it's clicking, it wasn't clicking before. This is like the second time this thing malfunctioning on me, so I called WD again and I checked the status of the warranty and it's expired. So now what I have to do, they gave me an exception, thank goodness, being able to recover the data from both hard drives now. Both. 4 terabyte. Before I didn't have time to do it. I was very short on time and money, but now I have time but not money. We'll see how they can recover the data, but call them again to send me a new one for the third time. But what they're gonna do is they're going to transfer the warranty of my first broken hard drive and transfer it to the new one. So I still have warranty. I'm glad that they're making an exception for me. What I have to do is my part. It's a little bit of a delay and I won't have any new videos or old videos that I've been itching to upload and edit. I'm kind of sad because, I've done my research, like iPadOS 13 and downloading it and being able to edit videos and upload them on YouTube. Anyways, if you've been through this problem or if you have any tips, questions, or comments, any advice, because I'm actually asking for advice, or what am I doing? Is this a good idea? Or I need to know this stuff. No, I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that's the next step. Getting my data recovered. It's not even a guarantee. Hopefully it's not too bad. Electronics don't like me. They don't like me. Anyways, there's your update. I will make another video when I get another update, I guess. Thanks for watching. See ya.